Procedure, and today we're going to look how you can perform a land ownership search in Kenya. Down here below we have given you a link which is going to direct you to our wiki procedure website page, where we have given you detailed information on how you can go about the application process. Additionally, on the right hand side of our screen we have included a select language option, and by clicking this downward pointing arrow you can access a list of languages which you can choose from to find the language which you easily comprehend. For example, in Kenya, by choosing Swahili, all the information on our wiki procedure website page will be translated to Swahili, and you'll be able to read through the instructions easily. And you can easily revert back to English by again selecting the downward pointing arrow and choosing English once again. Additionally, we have included external links to application documents which you can easily download by clicking these links which we have placed in these convenient places. Also, we have included external links to the online platforms which you're going to visit and make your applications online, and we are going to go through these application documents as we move on with the application, and also see how you can access the e-citizen platform and make your application online. We are going to go all through this as we move on with our program today. Additionally, we have included external links to other websites where you can get more information about the land ownership search process. And before we begin our program, I will urge you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button on our YouTube page, and go ahead and click on the like button so you can get more notifications when we upload more videos on our YouTube page. So let's get on with our presentation. The list of items which we're going to cover in this session include the need of carrying out a land search, the eligibility, the required documents, steps to follow in making the applications, the fees, validity period, processing time, office location and contact information, and any other information that may be relevant on how to perform the land ownership search in Kenya. So welcome to our presentation today, which is brought to you by wikiprocedure.com. Need of carrying out land search. The land search provides evidence of ownership of a parcel of land in Kenya. The land search also shows the type of land tenure the land is under, that is, if the tenure is freehold or if the tenure is leasehold. The eligibility criteria to perform a land ownership search in Kenya includes any citizen or non-citizen above the age of 18 years or their representative being either agents or advocates, may make an official land ownership search in Kenya. Required documents are as follows. You need proof of land ownership, that's a copy of the title deed or the title deed number, PIN certificate, identity card for Kenyan applicants, foreign national registration certificate or alien card for foreigners who are residents in Kenya, a copy of your passport if you are a non-Kenyan and non-resident, proof of payment or receipt for the land ownership search, and a duly filled application form for official land search, which is form RL26. Steps to follow when making the application is as follows. You can make the application in person, or you can make the application using the online method. And if you're making the application in person, this can be done by visiting the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning headquarters, which is in Nairobi, or you can go to any of their offices in your local district and sub-county offices. Here you'll be provided with an application for the official search, which is form RL26, to fill and submit, and this form can also be downloaded online from the Ministry of Lands website. And you'll be also required to pay a facilitation fee of 500 shillings for the search. And you're supposed to submit the duly filled application form and attach the required documents, and these required documents include proof of land ownership, PIN certificate, identity card, and proof of payment. So the land search at the land's office takes an average of 3 days. So after you've submitted your application documents together with the required documents, after 3 days you'll be issued with a certificate of official search, which is known as form RL27, showing the status of the land. So let's go ahead and look at how this form RL26 looks like, and also how form RL27 looks like, and we'll just go direct and also see how you can make the online application. So let's have a look at the form RL26. Now this is the form RL26. As you can see, it's known as the application for official land for official search, issued by the Republic of Kenya. And here you'll be required to provide the title number of the land, particulars of the applicant or an advocate if the application is being made on behalf of the applicant by an advocate. And you're supposed to fill the name, attach the copies of your identity card number, your PIN certificate, the purpose of the search, owner of the property, proposed purchase of the property, and just fill in the particulars. Submit this form together with the 500 shilling application fee which you're supposed to pay. And after the official land search, which is will take an average of 3 days, you'll be issued now with this form RL27, which is the certificate of official land search. And this will show the nature of the title, which is freehold or leasehold, the approximate area, the day of the search, and will give you more details about the piece of parcel of land which you wanted to know details of ownership. So this is the form which will be issued from RL27. The other way to make an application is using the eCitizen platform, and we have a video on how you can register on eCitizen if you don't have an eCitizen account. So if you don't have an account, check out our eCitizen, how to create an eCitizen account in Kenya video on our YouTube channel, and also we have information on how you can register on our wiki procedure website. So make sure you have registered. Once you have registered, come and click on this sign in button. By clicking on the sign in button, you'll be directed to this next page. You are supposed now to enter your email address if you've registered with your email address or your ID number. Input your password, click on login, and you'll be directed to your eCitizen platform. Once on your eCitizen platform, come down here on this Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning icon section and click on the Get Service icon. By clicking on this Get Service icon, you'll be prompted to allow the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning to access your eCitizen information. So click on Allow. By clicking on Allow, you'll be directed now to the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning dashboard, where now you can just go ahead and click on the Make Application icon. This is going to take you to the next page, and here just go down and click on the land ownership records, search land ownership records, and click on the Apply for Land Search RL27. The same as the form, you'll be given information on what you're supposed to do when making the application. You need to note that you need to have a copy of the title deed, where you are now supposed to upload it at the end of the application. So go ahead and click and apply. By clicking apply, you'll be taken to this next page. Let's just have a quick let's say if you have chosen Nairobi. Ready. Now you're supposed now to fill the registry section. Sorry, I already done this. Now After you have chosen Nairobi, a registry section will pop up, and for example, I chose Athi River, and the parcel number I chose 1234, and after that, after writing the parcel number, the details will be provided in your title deed. Make sure the information is correct, then click on continue. By clicking continue, you will be taken to the next page. Now here you're supposed to upload the already scanned title deed, and after you have uploaded the title deed, right here, title deed, and click on upload after you have chosen the file wherever you could have saved it, and click on submit request. After you have clicked on submit request, you'll be directed to the payment page, and you're required to pay a fee of 500 using any of the available payment methods, which can be debit card, credit card, M-Pesa, or bank transfers. And once the payment is confirmed, the applicant, you can proceed to print the results. And if you choose not to, the information will always be available on the portal anytime you log in, and you can easily access it on your dashboard. And the land ownership results are available immediately now. This is the advantage of using the online method. Let's move on. The fees is 500 shillings is charged for the land search. The validity period, the land search is valid forever. However, the land search loses its validity once the land is sold. The processing time varies. In-person application takes a period of 3 days, while online applications produce immediate results. The contacts of the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning they're located at Ardhi House, Ngong Avenue, Nairobi, and you can visit them through their website of www.ardhi.go.ke, and you can access their online access their services using the eCitizen platform. Other information is that land ownership search ideally confirms that the person selling the land to you is the legal owner. This is in the case you want to buy the piece of land, and it also shows that the land has no encumbrances that may include a charge by a bank, a covenant restricting sale of the land, among other issues. So thank you for watching, and I will urge you once again to go ahead and click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, and click the like button on our of this video. So thank you for watching once again, and I wish you all the best while carrying out your land search. So have a good day. Thank you.